Hey guys, it's Ben with USA Magnum. Today we're going to talk about the Phaser 7800. We're going to change out those toners, change out that waste toner container. Take us under 5 minutes. Stay tuned. Alright guys, welcome back. First things first, let's open the door of the Xerox. First thing we're going to see is the toners. Black, cyan, magenta, and yellow. If we unlock this little orange tab here, pull down on the little door, it's a little stiff, we're going to see R1, 2, and 3, and 4. These are the drums. R5 is the waste toner container, and this is the transfer roller. So let's get right into it. First thing we want to do is we want to replace the black toner. So all you have to do is pull it out. You can put the new one in. Same thing with all the other colors. They easily slide out. A little bit of a lip at the end there, it's okay. And easily slide it back in. It's not gonna get stuck or jammed. If it does, you need to place a service call. Next thing we wanna show you is how to replace one of the drums. To replace a drum, lift up on the little orange tab at the bottom and slowly slide it back. Now this thing is gonna be covered in lint. So what you want to do is you want to have your plastic bag ready that comes with your next drum and drop this guy right in there. And then put the new one, slide the new one directly back into the machine. Right here at the end, you're going to feel a little click, and you can see that it's all the way in there. Make sure you close the door. Again, remember, it's a little stiff. And then put it back in the lock position. Or if you don't, the door won't close all the way up top here. So that indicates that we didn't do something right. So put it back in the lock position. Door is good on both sides. Last thing we want to do real quick is replace the waste toner container. So slide him all the way out. And you slide your new one all the way back in. Pretty simple, straightforward. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. If not, have a great day.